Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card tower. First, gather a deck of standard playing cards. Their uniform size and weight are ideal. Begin by creating your foundation layer. Take 2 cards and lean them against each other to form an inverted V shape or a triangle. Repeat this process, placing several of these triangles in a row about 1 card's width apart. This forms the crucial base for your structure. Now that your foundation is set, it's time to build upwards. Gently place a single card flat across the peaks of 2 adjacent triangular bases. This flat card acts as a floor for your next story. Ensure it's perfectly balanced before proceeding. On top of these newly laid flat cards, you will then construct another row of triangular supports, mirroring your first layer. This method ensures even weight distribution. With the campaign loaded, the second player simply needs to press the menu button on their connected controller. This action will prompt them to join the active game session. You'll then see both Spartans appear on screen, confirming that split-screen co-op is successfully enabled. The game automatically adjusts the display to accommodate 2 players, providing a shared experience on one screen. Even experienced builders face collapses, so don't get discouraged. If you notice a section beginning to lean, try to gently nudge it back into place before it's too late. Patience is your greatest tool. Rush and your tower will surely tumble. Each collapse offers a valuable lesson, helping you understand where your structure might be weak. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be building magnificent, multi-story card towers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.